everyone. Um, I'm very happy to share what I've been doing in the last few days since the lockdown has happened. Um, what we had actually done is a week before the Prime Minister announced that there's going to be India lockdown. Looking at the situation, we had already decided that we will be shutting our office, and most of our office members were advised, not most actually, everybody was advised to take any machine that is required back home, because being in the digital advertising business, there are some of our designers and developers who require desktops and they don't work on laptops. All of them were asked to take their machines in taxis and just take it home over the weekend, and we were going to close our office. But some few employees felt that they cannot manage, they had to come to work, they couldn't even dream about working out of home, and a few people continued despite my strict instructions. And thankfully after that the Prime Minister announced a lockdown and everybody was forced to work out of home. And in the interim, of course, see, for me, I have always been a person who believes in working out of home. And a lockdown or not, I have often worked out of home. Maybe half the week I'm working out of home because I find it much more productive. There are little or no interruptions sometimes, and I can choose when I can do my meetings and not get interrupted, because when I'm in the office, there is always somebody or the other who will say, Chaya, I want to talk to you for 5 minutes, just 10 minutes, just 2 minutes, and those 2 minutes never last for 2 minutes, they become 20 minutes and sometimes an hour. And so when I need to work on things, and even when I want to have meetings, I've always done video conferencing. We've used Zoom as a video conferencing product for a very, very long time. And so for me personally, it was not a very, very big challenge, and I think for most of the other people also it was like that. Work has been quite hectic for us in the last 2-3 weeks. We've all been working out of home. I've been connecting with everyone over a video conference. We've been on Hangout, on WhatsApp as usual. Other than the fact that we are not physically sitting in the office, our work has not got affected. One thing we all have experienced in these last 2 weeks, that we are able to spend so much more time with our family members. I am there with my son. My son has just given his IGCSE Cambridge board. Very fortunate for him, his exam got over on March 6th. So he's just there at home without having to study. My 3 pets, I'm spending so much more time with them. They are there with me all the time. It's overall been not bad at all. Yes, sometimes you do feel, hey, you could just get a breath of fresh air and walk out, and some things are not so easy to access at this time. But I think these are just small pains, and we just can easily tide over it. I'm hopeful that we are not going to have a really bigger pandemic, and it's going to die down very, very soon. And so that's about it. But I'm looking forward to doing some cooking also, and doing some of my gardening, and getting to do more, getting back to my physical routine discipline, doing my yoga and puja properly every day. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me.